Good morning. We are back. So, today we're gonna work on the same thing, working on the NEXTJS project, then gonna work on the framework. We have to make a use case and we're gonna do that with a website, but we have to think about how we are going to display that, because if we will get customers later on, we have to be very clear how we're gonna showcase that. So it's going to be a lot of help from ChatGPT. It's going to be a lot of help from seeing other portfolios and a lot of, no, not a lot of, decent amount of research. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's just first check the goals. This is for tomorrow. All right. Let's go into goals. Alright, this is going strong actually. Alright, we still need to do that. Yeah, okay. We already started that. Yeah, alright, this is a problem. Let's start this on Thursday, because today I have a meeting, 80 content exceptions. So I think we're gonna make this. One conversation, role play, basic. We have to practice that today. Maybe we can finish off the goal today. It looks like I have a cold. I have not. I'm not sure my allergies is coming up. Let me actually put on the air filter. So I put on the air filter. Amazing. It is done for interview stage. So we have done this. All right. I've started one client project. We do have a client, so all portfolio projects are online. We have not done that. 80 devices will stay 5 hours working. Use case, one up at least 27 December. We really need to work on that, so we can work on that on Thursday. So let's work this on Thursday. We're gonna work on that tomorrow, which is going to be 13th of November. All right. We already have one. We need the second one. So we need to reach out to someone. In your case, basic switcher, 31st of November. All right. Okay. That is, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. All right. Third half still done. 35 times today, interview stage. All right. So we are on track. So now, what we're gonna do is start the NEXTJS project. So let's get into it. It's not good. Let's get into here. Great. We did not do that. Control B. Let's start up dev dependency. Good. Let's close the console. Let's go to the other page. And let's go to localhost 3000. Should be up. Yeah, we had the image problem we need to work on. Great. And on this side, we're gonna enter framework. Alright. Oh, is there a dog team? Looks like. Oh, I was already getting scared. All right. So we had a problem here last time, and problem is the image. Let's go into NEXTJS config. We do not allow gingerly, so PNG image test. So we need a PNG. Let's get a PNG then. Let's go to pictures and PNG somewhere. How about this one? PNG. Alright. This could be potentially be in PNG. So let's go into desktop and then public and paste. Starting, that's how it's called. Starting test image. So starting, and starting. So this should work. That definitely works. Okay. I see we have another problem, and that's with the SVG. I did something wrong with the button. Let's go to button CTA, see what's going on. Good. That's fixed. Now, what we need to do is we're gonna grab the SVGs because it's not working out. We need to go to this one and we need to use SVG grabber and convert it. Alright? Apparently it's not an SVG. So then grab images website. Extract pics from any websites. Good. Show me the money. Okay. Apparently that's not working. Extract pics. Get started for free. And an email. Okay. So those are PNGs. That's very interesting. And it doesn't grab as an SVG. Why is that? Here, there's a PNG. What is your problem actually? Okay, feather hero. Okay, it does save as a PNG. Let me see if it works as a PNG. Show me the money. This is not a valid bitmap file, or its format is currently not supported. Very interesting. So it is a PNG file, according to this one, but it does not save it like that. This is the first time that I've encountered this issue. Here, it actually says If I do control save, it happens. It's a PNG file. Amazing. Yoga lady. Okay. Yoga feather. Okay, good. Looks like icon blue, starting stream, this can go, this one can go, this one can go. Alright. It seems that it's problem solved. That's good. Then item toolbar. Good. Now then, importing. So lady and feather. So let's do lady, yoga lady, yoga feather. Good. So let's see what happens. Yoga. Don't be like that. Lady. Let's see. Okay. Great. Awesome. So let's make it absolute and make it inset 0. Let's make it, it's pretty strong. So how big is this actually? The width is 685 and the height is, okay, so let's check NEXTJS org and let's see for the properties. Let's do this properly. Okay, so let's go to image and let's see sizes. Okay, you can just do width. Okay, so let's add a property. So Opa. 685. 685. Let's see what happens. Definitely. Let's go to this one. Top 0. Right 0. Let's see what happens. Let's do left 0. It doesn't move. Okay, also let's do set minus, let's do set 0. How about minus 10? Good. Or I'm not sure about that, so let's check that if that's true. Yeah, it is behind the, yeah, okay, it's behind. Good. Now then, I see a problem, which is it's saying get started. Okay, and it needs to have a BG of purple soul. Purple soul. Good. Now then, I need to get this on the left side. It's absolute, it's insert, top is 0, left. Let me see if it responds. Let me see if I say 0, 4, right 4, doesn't respond. Maybe I should do relative. And then we're gonna, if it's allowed, I'm gonna add a class name. See? It doesn't say that. but let's still add it just in case. So let's see how it responds. Class name, absolute, inside 0, top 0, right 4. I'm just doing something. It does not respond. But it did move, I think. So let's do right minus 20%. It doesn't move. Okay, so we can delete that basically. Do this and this. Alright. So let me see why it's giving me headache. So let's go into this part. So next height, image, yeah, okay, but I should be here. So let's do why are you not responding? So it definitely not responds. What it does do, okay, I see what's going on. So how would I do that? Let's see. Absolute. So let's go into the image, which is absolute, and then we're gonna do right minus 20%. Okay, that definitely works. That definitely works. Okay. Okay. Why is there's an overflow? So let me hover over the image. So the overflow is not coming from me. So it is coming from here. So this one, let's do inset 0. Oh, let's not do no inset. Absolute. And then we're gonna do right 0. See? No. How about left 0? Okay, that does work. Why does right 0 doesn't work? See? Okay, let's go this way. Let's adjust the height just in case. 663. Okay, so let's do that. Height. Height 663. That definitely makes things better. So right minus 70%. Okay. Go into image and let's play around a little bit. And let's I want to pop this bar. Okay. Great. So let's see what happens. Right 70%. So let's look at the real image. Oh, okay. I see. So it has a top of 10%. Is this okay? It seems like it. This is how it should look. Alright. And then we have an image, another image. So let's do set index minus 20, and then does it disappear? It doesn't. So we're gonna do an image, and we're gonna do minus 30, and we're not gonna do a top. We do not gonna do this one, and we're gonna do feather. Okay, let's see how it looks. Alright, the feather is here and it's very big. It's very huge, very large. So, yeah. Okay. The feather is 1286. Width is 1286. Okay. Good. After Alt. Okay. Awesome. 1286. Okay. By 1046. Okay. Let's do that. 1046. Good. Now, we have to move a bit of stuff. So let's do that. Let's do top minus 20%. So that's good. And let's do left 0. Let's see what it does. How about right 0? Alright. Yeah, but then I need to know where the container is, which I do not know at the moment. Oh, okay, so this needs behind the, so I need to tilt it a bit. Alright. Good. And then it needs to go minus 10%. Let's see. Yeah, it needs to tilt a bit. Let's do 28%. Good. So according to this one, it needs to go a little bit back, so like 7%. And it needs to tilt a bit. Okay, so like that. Yeah, it needs to go a little bit more to the right. Let's do 10%. And then let's just do 36%. That's a bit too much. Yeah, that's a bit too much. Let's do 7%. How about that? That looks almost perfect. I'm happy with this result, so we're gonna keep it at that. Let's see how it looks. If we're gonna, ooh, that does not look good. Okay, it flows from the top. That's not good. Why does it do that? Maybe I should make a separate div, so let's do that. And then I'm gonna make another div. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna say minus 20 here. and then let's see how it moves. Oh, that's very interesting. That's very interesting. So at a certain point in time, what is the distance between those? So it never hits. Okay. So what we need to do then, if that is the case, we need to move both to the right. Okay, so let's write 14 and then write minus 7%. Why not listening? You should be listening. Why not listening? Right, 12%. 12%. Okay, good. Okay, so at a certain point I need to make it this. Alright, that looks good, right? Now we can make the button, we can make it white, so BG white. And then we can make the text black, which we did. So why are you not responding? Why is this all the way here? Let's remove the number. Can we remove this? Let's remove it later. Text black. Why are you not responding? Color black. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, sure. You see? It should work. BG white text right now. Contact. If I remove this, that fixes? Does not, and it breaks. Why are you breaking? Does that really break everything? No. This is my site. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Right, 10%. Okay. I'm really surprised by this one. It has a text of white. PG white. Not normal. Text black. Let's go into button CTA. Did I do text white? Yes. Fuck you. Okay. Contact and then get started. When we have to get started, we can say text white. Let's see it. Get started text white. Great. Is this actually that color or is it lighter? What is this? Heading 16 regular. It is black. Regular. Lieber Franklin. I'm gonna change the black to another kind of black. So text. Let me see what I have. All base, all foreground, ring, border. This is all the we had more colors, right? Base, soul. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go back. Font, text, base, soul. All right. Awesome. We did do pointer reference, but let's not do that. All right, so that's the first one. I see there's an overflow. So let's do I'm not sure where it is, but I'm gonna do both of them. Overflow hidden. See if that's also a problem. Overflow hidden. Alright, so that fixes the issue. And then I do need to fix that. So let's do 7%. Let's do 13%. Yeah, I'm satisfied with that. So now I can add breakpoints here. Okay, good. But the breakpoint is pretty high. Wow. Okay. So there is an mx of auto, and there is a padding. Good. Should we finish the other part, or should we? Let's go back into the home. I'm gonna make this one. This one seems to be easy. What is this? The gap is 48. Alright, so it has a service of it's an image. What do you mean it's an image? How large is this image? Export. Wait. What's going on? What do you mean it's an image? That's so bad. Oh my god. Bro. Okay, so background, how did I call this? I really despise that. UI, yeah. This is about. Let me see how I called it. Let's get our Microsoft whiteboard. Sure, that's not good. Yeah, it is about. Okay, so let's go into about. And we are here. Let's do a div. To flex, and it has. Okay. So let me ask. Background image tailwind in div. Okay. Okay. Let's do that. This is absolutely insane. Flex, and we're gonna save that image. It's apparently background about. Okay. Is it in the same? No. Okay. So be careful here. Be careful here. So it's one up. Then we are okay. Level this public, and then we are in BG about web P. That's how it should look. Nothing? Why not? Does the image exist? Let's see if the image exists. It does exist, and it does render. Kinda. Okay? Like you see it existing here, right? So. Oh, it denies? It's such a bad idea, man. And let me do this here, and let's do a BG of Y, right? pg of, let me see if I can find a color close to this. I don't think so. Oh, there are some colors. Some colors. Okay. Oh, these are borders. Okay. I'm gonna go into yellow and go into grayish. I think I see what's going on. There's nothing going on, that's why. So, hello, roll. Good. Now, if that's the case, then maybe this does work. So let's try that. It does work. Okay. Sure. Then let's check the margins and such. Okay. Where's my framer? No. Let's check the margins. Oh, because it's an image. Yeah, okay. So there isn't really no, I have to guess. I'm gonna do mx, my of, I don't know what that is. That needs to be padding. Good. We did flex call. Item center. Justify center. Great. Let's fill all the things that we need here. So what is this? It's an icon. It has a size of 80. So let's import the icon then. The icon is an SVG. So we're gonna do the normal image, and what we're gonna do is import that. Import. Oh, that's a bit too much. Import public, and then blue icon. So let's do that. Blue icon. Does it work? It does not. How about if I do just blue icon and then like that? Okay, yeah. Okay, all right. What we can do is, let's go into here, let's go into SVGs, and we can say we're gonna import icon, and we're gonna give it a different color and a size. So let's do that. Let's do SVG and then icon, and then we can do icon, maybe like that. No, how do we import that? How did I do that again? I'm getting a brain fart here. There's no way that you import it like that, right? No. No, right? I appreciate the concern, but that's not how it works. I'm getting a brain fart, so I'm gonna ask GPT. Okay. Okay. Why was I so stupid? I don't know why I got that brain fart. It doesn't make any sense. Okay. Like that. I don't know what the problem is right now, but let's do class name and let's do a weight of 80 pixels. Let's see how it looks. Let's not do anything until I set the height of 80 pixels probably. Good, and let's change the color to text purple soul. I think is how you do it. No, it's BG. BG purple soul. No, it's not BG purple soul. How about fill purple soul? No. No, it is text. It should be text. What's going on? How do I change the color? How do I change the color? No, it is correct. It is correct. Right? Text, yeah. It is correct. That's what it says. But I have to check if this is correct. Okay, let's go to socials. Fill, current color. Let's go to this one and let's just do this. Fill current color. This is the problem. It's okay. Let's do that. Alright. We have a fill. Clip path. Awesome. Let's do use state. So let's import React use state. Use state React. And then I'm gonna do use state snippet. Good. And what I want to have is set rotate. Right. Rotate, set rotate. And I want this to start with null so that I don't have to do a TypeScript. And then I'm not sure what's the problem. obviously. You're right. So let's abandon that, and then let's go into icon, and then set rotate, and then use state, and also use client. How about that? Still complaining? Yes, because I still have use state here. React. React. Still complaining? Okay. Let's go to icon. Let's do okay. Let's do the rotate first. How can I rotate this icon with use state? How did I do that? Rotation. It has to loop. It has to loop. You said 0. That is way too difficult. You do not need to do that. React feed. Let me start a new app and then feed test. Okay, let's go here. And then come on. Okay. Feed this latest. Sure, yeah. Yes. Yeah, blah blah blah. I don't care. Okay, sure. Let's go into this one. And then depth. Feed is not recognized. npm run dev. Okay. And it's not rotating. Counter. That's not good. Okay. I want to trash that project. Good. Let's do feed test. Feed test. Right. Feed latest dot. speed test. What's this? React. JavaScript. Good. npm I. npm run dev. Let's see. So this one is rotating, right? So how did I do that? App GSX. It's account 1. React logo. Image source React logo, class name logo React, alt React logo. Main. Count. Assets. Okay. So they have a so translate this to use statement. Okay. Translate this to tailwind and use state. So how is that applied? Logo spin and okay. So what does mine say? It makes it very difficult for nothing. That's basically what it's doing. Animation, spin slow, spin. I think I can do it better. I think I can add this and just type animation spin slow and just say spin. Translate this to tailwind so I can use it as a class. Okay, I do need to. If that is the case, then why is this working? What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna. It is way hard to get with using a use state. I understand what you can do, but I don't want to write that much of code. So what I'm gonna do is going into the app and we're going into this is globals. Gonna add in animation of CSS, and we're gonna do these ones. And we're not gonna do a logo, we're gonna do icon. Icon logo. Okay. It's a bit okay. And this is A of type 2. No, I only want when I do this. Okay. And then let's go back into about and add this in. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. We need to get rid of the use state in icon. So get out. Why not rotating? Because I have not imported it. So let's go into import, with no capital letters, and then let's go into, we are already inside the app, I think, but no, we need to go into the app, and then we need to go to, I understand that, but how about animation? Oh, that's not how it works in NEXTJS. Okay. CSS. CSS modules. Next. Yeah, next. It's not working. Okay. It's also not working. Styling. Styling. CSS. To it CSS. JS. How it's imported? Wait. That's the problem. Okay. import. It says it does exist, but I am adamant. Okay, add styles that animation CSS. Module not found. Okay. Okay. What if I use NEXTJS? Okay, it does. Oh, okay. Sure. But I do not want that. I would just want it here. It should work, but apparently it really wants me to should work. What's the problem? Not found. But it is there. Do you exist? Yeah, you do exist. Animation CSS. Animation dot CSS. Okay. I use a browser. Yeah, something really going wrong. I don't know what. Let's do it again. About module not found. Oh, because that is in about. Is a problem now. Oh, it is a problem. Let's see if it's still a problem now. Good. Oh, finally. Oh my god. Making me crazy, bro. Okay. What is the gap? The gap is 48. We're back. Gap 48 pixels. Alright. Now then. Let's do what we did in the title. We're gonna copy that because we don't do that anymore. We don't rewrite heading italic. Okay, good. Let's go into about and do this. What's your problem? You have not imported fonts heading. Uncover the soulful essence of yoga. Uncover the soulful essence of yoga with Flexsoul. Essence, come on. Essence of yoga with soulful, Flexsoul. It should look exactly the same. And both of them is subheading. So, here, sub. Okay, it doesn't exist. Let me see why. Heading body, section heading. Section heading. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Uncover the soulful. Why is strength still there? Essence of yoga with Flexsoul. So these ones should be next to each other. Why is it not? So let's go into hero. What did I do wrong here? Nothing. It just says it doesn't fit. Before we fix that, let's go into about and let's do a P. Is it the same one? Yes. So let's do P. Come on. Alright. Which is body. Body. Okay. It's like it completely forgot to center. class name text center. Let's deal with that later. Let's do the socials first. Social. Socials. And then we're gonna have a class name. And the color is gonna be PG, flex, purple, soul. PG, purple, soul. Text, purple, soul. All right. So let's go to page and then forget about this one. And also forget about this one. Where? Okay. Forget about those stuff. Okay, so I don't know how to do that, but I think it's object fit cover. Let's put this one and copy this. No, copy all the way this. Let's go to hero. And then let's make this a div. And then so the class name of these ones. And then I'm gonna go to him about. What I wanna do is cover. I have this background cover. However, I want it to stretch vertically across the entire screen. I copied it, but I copied accidentally something else. All right. Let's see what happens when I enter these ones. How about all right. That is what it should be. Great. Now let's add them. Because the section, I'm not sure how big the section is, but let's see if we can find that out. The height is 744. I do not believe that, but let's try it anyways. So let's go to home. Let's go to hero, and I want to have a height of 744 pixels. 744 pixels. Show me the money. Oh, it does work. Okay. All right. Now, I think that's the max width of the about. So let's go into body. So max width and the characters, it's going to be, I don't know, 66 characters or something. I don't know. From, okay. Now we need to do a text center. Does not work. Text center. I want everything centered, including the text. It's specifically this one. I need to center this text. There's no way that margin auto, MX auto works, right? You learn something new every day. Nope, doesn't work. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Next, item center, justify center. Next column, gap, item center, justify center. PG, 10, PG cover. Right on center, red screen. Let's go into body because this is the only thing that I can imagine. Alright, and that's the same for heading then. Heading. Good. And then let's go into this one. This is the hero. We need to go to about. And we have a problem here. We need to stretch the width. And let me see how we did that here. Okay, we surrounded this on with a div. It should not, but yeah, you know. We're gonna do it anyways. Alright. Then let's get into here. Yeah. I should not do that. No. Creates too much problems. Okay. How can it work here but not here? What is the difference? It's because of this one? I think it is. Yeah, we do need a okay. Sure. Let's do that then. I did not want to do it, but it's the fastest way to solve the problem. So, yeah. Moet je nergens mee? Gap 48 pixels. Okay. Now we still have this problem. And we also have this issue, so we need the overflow hidden. Overflow hidden. Good. Still overflows. Why? Is it because of this? It's as. Okay, to do. With screen issue with overflow. The only thing what we can do is go above and say no. Or we can go below and say yes. No, we're gonna go up. I'm not a fan of this shenanigan. And then you can say this. Let's create a max width, 865, okay. Max width, 835 pixels. Am I not listening? See? Not listening. This is not ideal. So the first problem is that with the subheading, with the section heading, we still have an MD of start. That's the first one. Section heading, okay, go to about. Sometime. What we can do is class name inline. That solves the problem. And what are you doing here? Yeah, okay. NSPP and BSP. Why is it not working? Is this? Escape character? How do you add that again? How to add this escape char after text? Just literally after that. Okay, so NBSP, it just renders. Oh yeah. Okay, sure. Asshole. Uncover the truth. Seems fine by me. I think that is it for NEXTJS. What's the next one? The next one is way easier. Okay. Oh, yeah. Only this one seems to be a bit weird. Okay. Good. And it wants to have the margins of PY needs to be bigger. So let's do 16. Let's see how it looks. They want it even bigger? Sure, we can do bigger. How about 20? It's even bigger at 20, but let's do 24. So 24. I think that's enough. All right. Maybe we should do the next section to 10, and then we're gonna do some research to 11. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do drink and a small break. You're back. Thank you for waiting. So, where did we leave off? We had this page and had this page, and we're gonna do the next page because it's not that complicated, which is gonna be the video. And we do not have video. No. It's an upload as well. So we have to go into the publish, go into video. Yeah, about the animation. Yeah, we're gonna do save video as. Is it MP3 video? Okay, let's do public. And let's do video banner. Alright. This is a loop. Let me see. I want to see if it loops. Yeah, it loops. Okay. So let's do the video banner. How did I call this? I call this video. Good. So let's get into video banner and let's actually do some stuff here. So it's gonna be something. Let's do video and let's see what video is all about. No controls. Do we have which are mandatory? So let's do that, right? Let's do that. So we need to import video. I'm not sure if this is it's video because this is green, but oh well. Okay, video, the width, the source. Let's do the source first. Yeah, public, and then how did I call this? Public, which is going to be video banner .mp4, which should be somewhere else. So I'm gonna put it here for a second. Video, the width. Okay, the width should be W screen. I'm not sure if that's a thing. I'm gonna do class name and W screen. Great. We need to open the source, which is indeed a self-closing tag. Thanks for doing that. And we say type is video.mp4. Okay. Then let's do, we do not have that track. Well, let's see if it actually runs. There's nothing running. Nothing found. Okay. video slash banner slash mp4. Okay, so it does exist. Copy path. Wait, before I do that, it should exist. So let's go here. Okay. Video, let's go into the source. Does the source exist? No, it does not. Okay, so it's my fault. Let's go into video banner. Let's just import. It's way easier. Public. Video banner. Video. .mp4. What's going on? Video is declared but never read. Oh, we're gonna fix that now. And what's the problem? Cannot find modules or declarations. Fail to compile. Okay. Okay, I can do that. Where? So we also need to do loop, and let's do width of 100%. Let's see what happens. Go to compile. You need to appropriate loader to handle this certain file. Currently, no loaders are configured to process this file. Okay. Preload none. Good. Let's type that. Preload is none. Alright. Unexpected character. Let me check. Width. Let's move to class name for now. Alright. You need to handle currently no loaders. It does work. Let's just do the path. Let's see what happens. So, how about that? Okay. Nothing. Okay. Let's do autoplay. And the autoplay needs to be, I think here, autoplay. Yeah, autoplay. Good. And it's not showing on the screen. Why not? Let's see what happens. So I do have something here. And the source is also here. But it's not playing. Why not? Let me think about it for a second. Let's check what's going on here. So Criticum source, and let's put that one here. And let's see what I'm doing wrong, right? Export function video. Alright, so we have this one. video. We have a width, but we do not have a height. Maybe a height is mandatory. So let's see if that solves the issue. It does not. Okay. Source. Path to video MP4. Public video banner MP4. Let's see. We are currently in components. We go one up. Alright, one up. Public. And this is called video / banner / MP4. Copyrighted path. Let me see what happens. Maybe I'm crazy, right? Alright. Alright. Look. It just says that it doesn't find it. That's so strange. Because it should. Video MP4. Type. Source. Type video / MP4. I'm doing it right. You are not autoplay. Maybe it needs a track or something. So track. Maybe track. And maybe I'm just gonna do it. Cannot find name track. So there's something going on with the video stuff. Maybe I need to import it or something. Maybe there's some kind of next video or something. All right. Source. Download. Oh. I see. That's so strange. That is really strange. It's not correctly loading. Let me see. I'm gonna ask questions now. Not loading the video. That never works. Hear that? Your browser does not support the video tag. I'm just gonna add it. Children. I'm doing it as it says. The component here is at the same level as the public folder. Is it just not playing? Let me go into page, video banner. So, oh my god. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Okay. So, shut the fuck up. Height 80, height 80%. Okay. Height height 80%. Okay. So the video is playing. Maybe a screen. Good. We have a max width. Let me see. Min width, overflow, min width. video banner, video banner, right? Okay, but the video itself is not that huge, so the height is 700. Height 700 pixels. Okay. 700 pixels. That does not solve the issue. Okay, I get it, because basically I need to say height is 700 pixels, and I need to remove that here. But it's better to do an aspect ratio. So aspect video. Let me do aspect ratio 15:9 tailwind. Let me see. Extra video. Okay, let's do that. Sure. Instead of that, we can do this. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay. Yikes. Limit of flow hidden. No, that does not. That gives issues. And then we can remove the width. Oh. Seven pixels. So it seems like it's just playing the full stuff, right? Let me go here. No, I am doing it right. Good. All right, that is it for this. Next time we're gonna wait. Let me see if it looks correctly. Okay, and does that also happen here? Okay, that's not a smooth transition, but who cares? Alright, so there you have that. We're gonna close this one off, and we were pretty successful. We had some mistakes, but yeah. Let me cross things off. We did the video. We're not using client for this. Is this important? We'll see later. Flex does make sense. So next time we need to make the classes and the testimonials. Sure. So we can close this off. So now things are going to be interesting because I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Portfolios. So we're gonna research how people do use cases. Alright. Beast. Meet beasts. Okay, so people always start with a video. So let's get our Tossi notepad, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the H1 title and a small caption, and these are, if you click on it, these are the sections. So, and we do sections, we do big reveal video, and what I want to do is technology used, and then I want to do table of contents. It's gonna be alright. Hey tijger. Was goed? Hey. Was goed? Huh? Was goed? Oh! Hey. Hey. Doggy doggy dog. Was goed hè? Was goed? Ben je warm? Of straks even lopen? Ga je straks meelopen? Straks meelopen. Eerst even aan de gang nog. We do research analysis. I want to do design, development, photos, conclusion. So okay, let's get into the let's get into another one. Okay, let's get into another one. Well, that's pretty cool that you can. It's loading pretty well. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So that's the first one. Now, I am looking for someone that knows what he's talking about. When I see it, I just know it. Let me see this design agency. Visit site. Alright. I don't like that loading. I don't care. Work, process. I want to see your work. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. So what has happened? So the image is bigger than the thing. Okay. So it's already way too huge. Let me see if I close this off really small. It's really hard to scroll. I do not want to have that hard scroll. I've seen errors. Okay. Bye. Seasoned product designer. All right. Let me see. Work. Lenko landing page design. Okay, this is we can do something with this. First of all, what I want to do is on the research analysis page, right? So let's do research analysis. What do I want to say? So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna have big review video, and I'm gonna add my role and the company and industry. That's what I'm gonna do. And we already have a small caption. Research analysis is gonna be 3 sentences, right? I only want to have 3 sentences. Research analysis. So research analysis goal. So, and then we have a goal, which is going to be 1 big sentence, maybe with an image, Then design. Max 4 sentences, then big reveal, scrollable, mobile, interactive. Okay. Then development, max 4 sentences, plus challenges. So we're gonna do plus challenges. All right. Design plus sketch. I'm going to design the sketch. Development. Finalized product photos. Right? Finalized product photos. UI, UX, other stuff. Okay. Show concise design patterns. Okay. Product page. Conclusions. Conclusion. 2 sentences. 2 sentences. And then I want to have a footer that goes back. Okay. So that's basically what it is. And also one at the H1 title, small caption. I want to have a visit real site. That's what I want. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's use paint and let's go here. Go. And let's go on product back. Let's go back. All right. So this is what I want. Let me open Microsoft Whiteboard. I'm gonna do format background dotted. Well, we're gonna write down blog use case page. Let's do that white. Let's do big, and let's start. So what do I want to look like? Well, with this, obviously. So I want to have something like this, right? So start with this. Then I also want to have like this. Right, so let's make video, right? So this video is going to be just as big, right? So, all right, so something like that. And now what I want is type technologies used. And where did I put it? Suddenly it does not center. We are going to center. So we're going to see technology used, and then let's go into some, well, let's do Figma, right? Figma, and then Framer, right? Something like that. Figma, Framer, and then NEXTJS. NEXTJS, right? NEXTJS. I'm doing something, right? I'm cooking. NEXTJS, Tailwind, right? Tailwind CSS. So you can do that. We want to have the light theme. Nice. Tailwind CSS. And something like that. Technology used. Alright. So we put that in. And then I want to put that here. Something like that. And then just make it smaller. This one smaller. Alright. So technology used. Good. Close this one off. Let's go in here. Then I said we're gonna have a table of contents. There was a guy that I saw that had a table of contents. I really like that. So let's see if we can find this guy. It was a very simple site. Maybe it's this one. I hope it's this one. Case studies. Reads. This is, okay, I remember this one, the timeline and kinds of stuff. I do not like that. Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's this guy. Bro. Well, go away with your BS. Where is this BS? Okay. Maybe it's this one. Sure. Don't disappoint me. It's loading slow. That's very slow. Your live website. Okay, I understand that you are a pretty good seasoned product designer. You design pretty well, but you see, which one was it? Oscar Mita. What is he? Okay. Okay, he's Dutch. Okay, I understand this, but you're not what I'm looking for. Because if you look at the cases, it's not that good. Yeah, I understand. It's very laggy. I do not like lag. Alright, so let's check what this is about. Selected work. Okay, so let's check a work. Mirror widget. Well, is it just me or is the quality really bad? Is this on purpose? Let me see. No, it's not on purpose. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Let's get out of here. Alright. Next one. Let's check the a lot of dark themes. I'm not attracted to dark themes. Florian, designer and developer. Alright. Now show me the money. AI modes. Oh. Huh? Okay. Awesome. I guess. Yes. It's like you scammed me. I thought it was white. Oh, this looks good. Let me see. Can't read this page. Check there if there's a typo. It doesn't exist anymore. It's gone. Okay. He quit the game. Quit the game. Alright, next one. Let's see here. Arito Paul. Okay, so Arito Paul. Oh, I don't like this lag, guys. Stop doing that. Okay. Work. Okay, just a bunch of pictures. No text. Oh, okay. These are the different kinds of works. Okay, that was not clear. Click. It goes into the website. Okay. So there's no talk about that. Okay. Peter. Oh, this one looks really bad. Okay. Interface designer. What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, next one. Let me see. Loads too long. I don't like long loading. Failed project. Get out. This is research page designer. I'm Anna. Maybe this one. Let's see what this is about. 18 January. I will click on a case study. I cannot read this. I like this page because it's very simple and I know what's happening here. Okay, good, very nice. Okay, so this is not a waterfall. It's iterating stuff going on. All right, yeah, iterate, right? Okay. This is a pretty solid one. Looks very good. But I feel like it's a bit too broad. Like this, I get it. Like, look how long this page is. Like, how long do you want this to be? Fourth. Okay. Like, it doesn't look bad. But maybe because it's fourth that it's so complicated. Like, how many people worked on this? 1, 2, 3. So they worked their asses off. This is good. If I want to really get this down, so I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna save that for later. So for 2025, right? 2025. I'm gonna use case broad. So maybe that's something for the future, right? All right. Let's close this off. Let's go into the next one. Okay. Next one. too much. Like, I get this, but okay. Let me. All right. Senior designer at Google. Let me see what's going on. Professional projects. Generative AI in Chrome. Yeah, I've seen that you. Okay, you just started. Good. Looks very good. I'm not disappointed. Very good. Congratulations. This is what I like to see, right? It's very simple, straightforward. Like, he introduces himself, he tells what it is. It's like call to action. Immediately goes into the projects. So maybe I would like to design something. Oh, he has patterns also. That's good. All right. I wanna maybe in 2025 I wanna create something like that. Maybe a new portfolio 2025. See that, because that's what I like. It's simple. Let me see how it looks on mobile. Let me reload that just in case. The mobile version is questionable. You can see that he is not a developer. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do this, and what we're gonna do, XR. So questionable. Hi Douglas, how are you? Hi Douglas, how have you been? Is my mic still working? Yes, it is. So let me go over what we're doing right now. So we pretty much worked on the NEXTJS project like usual, but now we are looking for a way to show a use case. So I'm working how to present my portfolio, how to present my projects to people that want to hire me. But I have to do it like I've been doing it for years, because that is one of the problems that most people that development and designers have when they start. Their presentation not that good, or either you're already higher up in some kind of, I don't know, masters, then it doesn't really matter. But in my position with the bachelor's or something, it does matter. So this is our blog use case. This is something how I want my blog user case is going to look like. So this is what we have currently, and we are looking for a timeline. Give me 1 second. We're looking for a timeline or table of content. Maybe that's a better word. So they know what to expect on this project. All right, let me see if I can find if I can find it. Let's go back, because we did visit that page. 8 November, Friday, maybe? No, 7 November, Monday. It says I never looked it up. I'm pretty sure I did. Let's check the history here. Oh, I know why I did not. Let me go here. Just because I'm using private view, I have to be careful with that. Case studies. Read case study. Okay. Portfolios. Give me 1 second, Douglas. So there's this guy I found. Let me close this off. That uses a table of content in their work, but I cannot seem to find it anymore. Maybe it's this one. Just click one. User experience, clients, team. Not this one. He said that he is like a designer for, I don't know, 10 years. So I have to really look for 10 years. If I see it, then it's really clear. He had like a big text. I'm a senior designer for 10 years, product manager for 10 years or something. Wait, why am I looking? Then designer, creative designer, product designer. Maybe I can find it this way. Oh, this is it? Okay, that's not good. Let me get into creative designer for a second. Not good. Why loading? Okay. Okay, this is not working out. Portfolios. Let's go into the first page. It was a light team. I am a seasoned product designer. Let me see if this guy, what this guy is about. Broad pay. I can learn from this. So let me keep this page open. Okay, next one. No, not this one. Nope. Let's go to the second page, just in case. No, 20 years is too much. No. maybe it's this one. We probably have been here already, but did guys tell you about the art team? Unfortunate. What is this? Sorry, I'm a bit roasty today. Well, I'm looking out for myself, right? So it's not that they're bad or anything like that. Okay. Next. Nope. Public leads. They all have this off the clock. And we've been here already, so let's get into the next page. Signing website, design conversations, 0 to 1. Nope. There are many great portfolios. Like I'm intrigued, but it's not what I'm looking for. Oh, it's a Dutch guy. Let's check the Dutch guy. If it's still online. Oh, that's the, let me do that again. I would never really do that on my page, because this if you say you're located in the Netherlands, that means that you stop yourself from having international, not in extreme cases, but it stops you from having international projects. So let's assume that I am calling someone from the USA and I'm telling them, like, hey man, I'm developing local designers, I'm going into the city. They're gonna ask me straight up, like, where are you based? I'm just gonna tell them, like, I'm currently in the USA. That's what I'm gonna tell them. But if they're gonna land on a website, they're gonna be located in the Netherlands. I'm like, nah, bro, you don't understand our economics, right? So you prohibit yourself. This is a Framer website, so let's do inspect. Let me see. Or is it no Framer website? Let me see. Maybe I'm wrong. No, I'm wrong. Look at this. This is not a Framer website. He did design it with Webflow, I think. These are created codes by Dennis. Yeah, but that doesn't mean anything. How to know if a website is designed by Webflow? Let me see. Use a tool. Check the code manually. So okay. So let's see if he has that. Okay. So let's go into this one. I see a lot of data scrolls. This is people usually do not do this, like data scrolls, section ID, and those kinds of stuff. So I'm really looking into, but it seems like he designed it himself. That's pretty awesome. With the help of libraries, of course, right? So yeah, but I cannot see with the data scroll ID. Did you will only use this when you're designing for, I don't know, a government? This is not a government, so this is not a government. So I'm a bit oof, I hate that. Did you can do this, but oh, I do like that. Let's work. Okay. Let's see your work, right? Twice, Spain. Okay, so he does get international projects, but mostly in the Netherlands. Well, he does get one from the United States, but is this store based in the Netherlands? Let's see. It's taking very long to load, guys. I do not like that. This cannot. Is this creative? Code by Dennis. Well, Dennis, you're pretty good. Not gonna lie. You're pretty good. And this is very laggy. But this is created in 2021, so I'm not complaining. I have no idea what it all said. I did not read anything. Okay, so he have done more than 60 projects. Amazing. Good job. And 11 of them are development. These are very expensive projects, but that's good. I would never make them. He says he coded them. I do not believe it. If he would code all of these just by hand, like I'm doing right now with NEXTJS, this will take you a lot of time. So what I think he did, he says it's coded by him, but he used Webflow. Then what he did is he exported it and then did some adjustments, or he's hiding the Webflow. Let me see. This sounds like I'm jealous. I'm not jealous. I'm just amazed. If you can code 64 projects with this span amount of time, so I would say he is about 30. So let's see. Awards judge. Okay, he's a pretty big deal. Let me see if I can find his age somewhere. Probably his LinkedIn. I do not have LinkedIn, but 9K followers. See him with your contact info. Okay, I do not have this, but maybe what I can do. Don't do this at home, kids. You may want to. Okay. in queue. Oh, okay. Loading. Okay, I'll let this load for a while. Oh, okay, I can do this. Here's a big deal. That's good. Check. Cloudflare, GSAP, PHP, Apache query. Okay. No, this is definitely designed from scratch, but you can you export Webflow to native code? Okay, so it is possible. Can I edit? Okay, good. So that's possible. So I will be able to detect it. Good. So good to see. Let's continue. So the reason why he gets away with based in the Netherlands, because he is basically a celebrity. Like if you would not do that and you would say based in Netherlands, you won't get anywhere. But I do not care about this. I only care about the back when it comes to what I'm doing. So let's continue. About me section. Services. Okay, let's go to the next page. That's cool. Okay. See what this is about. Let me. All right. Oh, we do not like that. Let's see how it's made. Okay. It's made from scratch. Oh, wait. I can just do the checker, right? Where is the checker that we have? Let's go into page history and let's go which side is built. GitHub pages. Oh, that's how they host it. There's nothing about technology. So this is basically JavaScript with no libraries. That's pretty awesome. I don't believe it, but good. Senior designer. No, I do not want to get app. And it takes me to the app. About. Takes too long. I do not like that. Okay, let's go into the last part of the oh, she's pretty good. Let me check. Work. You develop. I don't. Oh, okay. Design. I think your design is better. Yeah, your design is way better. Case study. Okay. That's really good. So you're actually showing in tangibles, right? Good. All right. Yeah, this can go on forever because it's a full application. But basically what I'm stealing is the user flow. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna put it somewhere here because I'm not sure when or what. So put it here. And we had another portfolio because we have to close soon. What the hell is this? I don't want that. This is already done. That page screenshot. Okay, so that's not working out because I do not have LinkedIn, so I cannot check his age. Well, there are multiple ways, but I'm not that interested. He looks 30 plus, so. Yeah, so we had this. Let's do design, right? So this is important as well. So let me put that here. Right here. All right. For the colors, right? Let me see. Conclusion. We have that. User flow, design objects. Okay, very simple. We cannot find the one designer with the table of contents, so we might scrap that. So let me save that as I'm going to do it on desktop, and this is going to be user case page block. Good. Did we miss something here? Sketches, yeah, sketches. We went to 200 integration, final design. This is a showcase. Okay. Okay. Animated slide with Figma. Does it cost money? Can I see a showcase? Okay, yeah. So I can, based on what I have here, I can make like a PowerPoint presentation, right? So that's what we do next, where after we design the block, so it's not important right now. And I think that is it for today. So I'm going to show you what we've done today. We basically started with the user case for the block, so how it's going to look like, and we continued with the NEXTJS part. So show you, run dev. So we got the website up and running. We imported the video, we imported the about section and this section. We still have to add the testimonials here, but that's not important for now. I see we have a bug here, which we're gonna fix later. But yeah, looking good. Let me see the framer part, so you can also show you the framer. So framer, like there's animation here going on, but I'm probably not going to do that, because to that we need to use libraries. Okay. Oh, there's a hover state going on. I probably need to make that. So okay, well, so this one looks pretty similar. Next time we're going to make this one, but we made this page, this one, and we made this one. And next time we're going to make this one, and probably we're going to make this one, and maybe even a footer and sitemap. Because the most difficult parts, we can make them now, but I don't want to make brainstorm. I wanted to finish as soon as possible, and when the product almost looks finished, my mental state's also going to work harder. So that is a way I'm approaching stuff. So alright, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me making 600 today within 7 years, and I'll see you guys on to the next one.